How many kilojoules of energy must be invested to raise the temperature of 0.1 kilograms copper from 10.0 degrees Celsius to 100.0 degrees Celsius? And then we're actually provided the specific heat of copper, which is 0.389 joules per gram Kelvin. So let's go ahead and make a list of all of our data. Number one, we know that we're looking for a unit of energy, right? How many kilojoules in the unit? How much energy should be invested into this copper? Then we're given the mass of our copper, which is 0.1 kilograms, right? Next, we have two temperatures. We know that the initial temperature, and I'll put T sub I here, the initial temperature is 10.0 degrees Celsius, and then our T final, so T sub F, is going to be 100